it's Gina with WTI. And my favorite thing about this woolly yarn from Yarnalia is that it is so soft and smooth, and it's really satisfying to work with. I got 2 balls of the Merino worsted weight yarn in the color caramel. The balls come with 219 yards, and I was able to make a beanie and a matching cowl with just the 2 balls. What's amazing about this yarn is that it is superwash, so you can feel confident hand washing it and letting it lie flat to dry, that it's not going to shrink, and that's really convenient. I've been crocheting for the last 40 years, and I've used a lot of subpar yarn. This is not junky yarn at all. It is high quality, and the way that it's twisted together with 4 strands makes it highly durable and strong, and even though it's wool, it's not itchy. Yarnalia has a lot of different colors and textures of yarn to choose from, so you're sure to find the one that is perfect for the project you're working on. I definitely recommend it, and that's my point of view.